Hello everybody, in today's video we'll be discussing this set. So this is a slightly difficult one again, not an easy set to do, and such type of sets are common in CAT. You generally get one set of this kind. So let's try solving this. So it says IMS Coaching Institute prepares its students for 5 important entrance exams that are CAT, JMET, XAT, SNAP and IFT. ठीक है, each student appears for at least for 2 exams. ठीक है, so none of the students are appearing for only one exam, everybody is appearing for at least 2 exams. The graph below shows the breakup of number of students who took the recently held exam. So this is the breakup, this graph. ठीक है, it is showing the breakup. Now if I add all of this total, 16 plus 26 plus 36 plus 32 plus 46, so this comes out to be nothing but 156. Now before solving this, I would like to tell you something. Whenever we have a set, let's say मैं 2 का consider करता हूँ, ठीक है, so let's say this is tea, this is a coffee, this is A, this is B, this is C. So the number of people who like tea is nothing but A. I can say A plus C. The number of people who like coffee is nothing but B plus C. Now if I add both the equations, अगर मैं दोनों को add कर देता हूँ, so what will I get? A plus B plus 2C, right? Now A and B is what? A and B is nothing but people who like exactly one drink. This is exactly one. And this is what? This is C is nothing but people who like exactly 2 drinks, that is both tea and coffee. So I can say plus choice of exactly 2. So ये जो number आता है, this number, in this there is overlapping. इसमें C 2 बार आ रहा है ना, so there is a overlapping in this case. But if I say A plus B plus C, so this is the union of this set. I can say A union B or T union coffee. So this A plus B represents exactly 1 and C represents exactly 2. So exactly 1 plus exactly 2 will give me the union. ठीक है, और इस वाले केस में overlapping हो जाती है when you write an equation in this form. So now if I go back, I can say 156 क्या है मेरा? It is nothing but exactly 1 को मैं 0 ले लेता हूँ because everybody is taking at least 2 exams. So I can say, मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ नीचे, exactly 2 twice of exactly 2 plus thrice of exactly 3 plus 4 times exactly 4. There were total of 5 exams, right? So plus 5 times exactly 5 is nothing but equal to 156. Remember, this sum is not exactly 1 plus exactly 2 plus exactly 3, क्योंकि यहाँ पे overlapping है. Some people, let's say, just snap दे रहे हैं, this they can also give CAT, they can also give JMET, they can also give XAT. So there's a overlapping here. So this number represents this. Now let's go question by question, एक एक करके solve करते हैं. First question says, what can be the difference between the maximum and minimum number of students of this institute? ठीक है, so minimum, I can say minimum students कितने होने चाहिए? Nothing but 46. All the people who are appearing for the other exams, ये 16 लोग, ये 26 लोग, these 36 people, these 32 people, they can all fit into this, right? But can these 46 students fit into this? The red one, the XAT, where only 36 people are giving. If out of 46 who are giving CAT, 36 are also giving XAT, तो बाकी ये बचे 10 लोग कहाँ जाएंगे? We do not know, right? But all of them can fit in this 46, right? So minimum students जो हैं वो, that is nothing but I can say 46. Now let's try to find the maximum. So if I have to try to find the maximum, I know that twice of exactly 2 plus thrice of exactly 3 plus 4 times exactly 4 plus 5 times exactly 5 is given to me as nothing but 156. Now if I want to maximize the number of people, तो मुझे I have to make some value 0, तो मैं इन सारे को 0 कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, I'll make all of these 3 as 0. And this number 156 is definitely a multiple of 2. ये 2 का multiple है, तो मेरे पास exactly 2 आ जाएगा, nothing but 70. I can say 156 by 2 is nothing but 78. So that is the maximum number of people. See, you have to maximize. अगर मैं इसको 0 कर देता, सपोज exactly 2 को अगर मैं 0 कर देता यहाँ पे, और मैं इन दोनों से बनाता, लेट्स से exactly 5, सो इसकी मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या हो सकती है? 156 डिविजिबल नहीं है, 155 इज डेफिनेटली डिविजिबल बाय 5, सो दिस विल गिव मी नथिंग बट 31. ठीक है, और फिर एक स्टूडेंट बच जाएगा, तो वो कहाँ जाएगा? वी डू नॉट नो. तो ठीक है, अगर मैं 150 लेता हूँ, 30 लेता हूँ यहाँ पे, इफ आई टेक एक्जैक्टली 5 एज 30, सो 5 into 30 is 150, सो 6 स्टूडेंट्स आर स्टिल रिमेनिंग. तो मैं 6 स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे एक्जैक्टली 3 में डाल सकता हूँ. तो इफ आई से एक्जैक्टली 3 वाले 6 हैं, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इज नथिंग बट 2, दैट इज 6 by 3. सो अभी इस केस में स्टूडेंट्स कितने हो गए? 30 + 2, दैट इज ओनली 32. तो मिनिमाइज हो गए ना. So that is what I am saying, that the important thing is whenever you have to maximize, तो exactly 5 और ये जितने बड़े हैं ना, इनको 0 कर दो. So make them 0. So maximum I have got is nothing but 78. ठीक है. The value will reduce if you make exactly 2 and exactly 3 as 0. If you are trying to maximize, तो minimize होता जाएगा, maximize नहीं होगा. So coming back, maximum number of students मेरे पास 78 आ गए, minimum is 46, so the difference is nothing but I can say 78 minus 46, that is 32. That is option number C. Now, next question. If the number of the institute is the minimum possible value, so minimum students कितने होने चाहिए मेरे पास? I have already seen that is 46 from the last question. So I can say that exactly 2 plus exactly 3 plus exactly 4 plus exactly 5, this is equal to 46. ये मेरे पास minimum है. These are the minimum number of students. Then at most how many students had appeared for exactly 3 exams? ठीक है. So मुझे maximize करना है at most 3 students. That is I need to maximize the value of nothing but exactly 2 plus exactly 3. मुझे ये maximize करना है. Okay. So I also know I already have one equation, that is this one, which is twice of exactly 2 plus thrice of exactly 3 plus 4 times exactly 4 plus 5 times exactly 5 is equal to nothing but 156. Now अब मुझे at most 3 maximize करना है. So what should I make it 0? 0 क्या करना चाहिए मुझे? Shall I say, I can say कि मैं इसको 0 कर दूँ, exactly 4 और exactly 2 को. I should make it 0 to maximize this. ठीक है. Now I can say that exactly 3 plus exactly 5 is equal to 46. Now why am I not making exactly 5 0? Just look at there. Just look here. अगर मैं exactly 5 को भी 0 कर देता हूँ यहाँ पे इस इक्वेशन में, अगर मैं इन तीनों को 0 कर देता हूँ, exactly 2 4 5 सबको 0 कर दिया, exactly 3 को maximize करने के लिए. So 156 by 3 कितना होता है? It is nothing but 52, but minimum number of students of 46 है ना, तो ये ऊपर वाली इक्वेशन satisfy नहीं हुई. That is why I have only made exactly 2 and exactly 4 0, और मैंने exactly 5 को 0 नहीं किया. ठीक है. So I'll just quickly erase this. So exactly 3 plus exactly 5 is 46, and thrice of exactly 3 plus 5 times exactly 5 is nothing but 156. If you solve these two equations, you'll get nothing but, यहाँ से मिल जाएगा तुम्हें exactly 5 is equal to 9. So exactly 3 will be nothing but 46 minus 9, that is I can say 37. So the correct answer is nothing but option number C. ठीक है. So that is how you solve such type of questions. You have to see कि क्या क्या 0 कर सकते हो. What all things you can make it 0 to maximize a given value, जो भी तुम्हें maximize या minimize करना है. Now let's try the next one. If the number of students who took, okay, I'll quickly erase this, create this here to solve this. So it says if the number of students who took exactly 4 exams is maximum possible, then how many students took exactly 2 exams? ठीक है. तो अब मुझे exactly 4 को maximize करना है. So I already know that twice of exactly 2 plus thrice of exactly 3 plus 4 times exactly 4 plus 5 times exactly 5 is given to us as nothing but 156, and I want to maximize, ये maximum रखना है, and I want to know the value of exactly 2 in that case. How many students took exactly 2 exams? ठीक है, ओके. सो अब मुझे इसको मैक्सिमाइज करना है और exactly 2 की वैल्यू भी फाइंड करनी है. सो इफ आई टेक दिस एंड दिस एज 0, अगर मैं इन दोनों को 0 ले लेता हूँ, सो आई नो दैट exactly 2 plus exactly 4 is nothing but 46. That is the minimum number of students, and twice of exactly 2 plus 4 times exactly 4 is to be nothing but 156. So if you solve these two equations, क्या मिलता है? Let's see. I'll multiply the first equation by 2. Again need to erase this. So अगर मैं first equation को 2 से multiply करता हूँ, so I'll get nothing but twice of exactly 2 plus twice of exactly 4 is equal to 92. So on solving this, I'll get twice of exactly 4 is equal to nothing but 64. So exactly 4 maximum possible value is 32. So if exactly 4 is maximum is 32, ये 32 हो गया this value. So I can say exactly 2 कितना हो जाएगा? 46 minus 32, that is nothing but equal to 14. So the correct answer is option number C. So that is your complete set. ठीक है. So such type of questions you need to be very careful कि क्या maximize करना है, तो उस हिसाब से क्या क्या zero ले सकते हैं. At times you'll face कि तुम्हें you cannot make 0 exactly 3 0 नहीं कर सकते. मे बी यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा नंबर हो जो इसके मल्टीपल से नहीं बन रहा हो from 4 and 2. So you need to involve 3 in it. So you cannot take it as 0. So you need to be very careful in solving such type of questions. Okay. Thank you everybody.